If your kitchen faucet is leaking like this, I can help. On today's episode, I'll show you how to fix your leaky kitchen faucet. The parts you will need for this project are assorted O-ring seals, first, carefully pull up on the faucet's neck to release it from its base. These faucets leak due to worn or broken O-ring seals. Replacing these seals should stop the leaking. I am checking to make sure there are no broken seals remaining in the faucet's base. Choose an O-ring seal that is slightly smaller than the diameter of the faucet's neck inlet. I am using automatic transmission fluid to help ease the O-ring seals into place. Carefully reinstall the neck back onto the base of the faucet. Project complete. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.